Hey everyone, doing things a little bit different. We are outside in my backyard and we are going to paint my dining room table this chalky paint by Deco Art. It's in the color Yesteryear. It's a gray. We're gonna see how it looks. You know, at first I was painting it white, but then I thought to myself, do I really want a white dining room table? I know I can get messy sometimes, so maybe not. But like I said, this is an experiment and we're gonna see how it turns out. And I'm using my paint sprayer, so I'm excited about that. It's gonna get a little messy, a little noisy, like my neighbor's dog. It's gonna get a little noisy. It's gonna get a little noisy. Thanks, Turbo. So, I'm gonna show you guys how that looks like right now. All right, guys, we're gonna get into it. First, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about this table set that I found. My neighbors were getting rid of it, and guess what I did? Scooped it up. Before I could get started, this set needed some T-Boss Left Thigh Chili, TLC. I used some wood glue to reattach the legs, and then I used a screwdriver to remove the seat. As I mentioned before, I did paint the entire table white. Then I realized I don't want a white table, so I used this as my base coat. Oh no! There is a valuable lesson to be learned here. Always clean the nozzle of your paint sprayer before you take on a new project. When you're using a paint sprayer, you want to use long sweeping motions from side to side. For the chairs, I knew exactly which areas I wanted to distress. I painted the base coat there, and then I painted over it with Yesteryear. Using fine grit sandpaper, I smoothed out any ridges, bumps that the painting might have caused. Then I used my coarse grit sandpaper to really start distressing and getting rid of the top coat of paint. One thing about distressing, you can go as light or as heavy as you want. If you want to just rub off the top coat and leave the base coat peeking through, that works. Or you can go as far as to the natural wood. It's all up to you. Can't forget to clean off the tables and chairs with a clean rag. We still have more to do. This is going to be clear. This is a brown wax. I have not decided if I'm going to actually put it on this dining room set. If not, it will go on something else. For this project, cream wax is essential. It fuses with the paint to provide a super strong layer of protection against daily use. To apply, you want to simply wipe on with a lint-free cloth. Voila! But wait, there's more. I realized this chair also needs a makeover. So I painted it using Deco Art's chalky finish paint. This time I didn't use a base coat and I protected it with cream wax. To recover your seat, all you need is a piece of fabric cut 3 inches larger than your seat, a staple gun, and a pair of scissors. Now you want to begin stapling your fabric to the cushion frame. As you're working your way around, you want to make sure to pull as tautly as possible. Pull fabric snugly around curved corners to eliminate tucks on the top side of the cushion. Then secure with a staple gun. Trim any excess fabric, then reattach your cushion to the chair. Now we're done. I love chalky paint and I love makeovers. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Until next time, remember, life is better when you do it yourself. Peace out.